What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Alright, so today is the Sunset Beach Cruise truck meet. We're about to head out in a little bit, and it's also my daughter's first truck meet ever. I am a little concerned because right now the cruise is from Ontario to Huntington Beach, which was planned perfectly. Everything was going great so far and everything until all the protesting. That's the only thing that we're off. We don't mind the protesting, like it's for good cause. Like you guys know the whole story already, I'm pretty sure. But there is anti-protesters that are going against the protesters and all that. So that's my only concern for this meet. So we gotta move this truck that way and then move this truck out. We were gonna take this one, but since it's a long drive, I don't want to drive a slammed ass truck. Look at her. I need to get her some merch. If you guys have any babies that you want some merch for, let me know. I'll post it on the website. Alright guys, so this just in. Huntington Beach is getting crazy, so we're not going to be going to Huntington. We're probably just going to be going somewhere here in the IE, because the IE isn't crazy yet, so yeah. Who said a single cab cannot be a family car? Look at that. Got the diaper bag. Extra blanket, got the baby. Damn, sick ass shirt. Where's mine? Huh? Alright, we're gonna be waiting on some more guys though. Big old crew stamped everywhere. So it's gonna be a nice little meet. Damn, he fucking must have scraped hard over there. Cause that dip over there is hard as fuck, dude. That dip is hard as fuck. Like fucking steep. Pretty much. Or sunroof performers. Oh yeah. Okay, some cars. Okay. Over there. putting the baby in the car seat.
Esto es puro Eslabon Armado, viejones. Del Records. Firmes saben que no hay que rajar, la vida da vueltas y hay que saberla jugar. Voy por todo, no hay freno, con un blon te despegó. Aprendí de las calles, nunca fui a la escuela, preferí los billetes, ahorita no sobran, me los gasto en un rato, vuelven doble pa'l banco. Un San Judas en el pecho me cargo, la bendición de mi madre siempre tengo. Me retiro, llanta voy a quemar, en mi troca pisándole al gas. Y hay que seguir quemando llantita, viejo.
Where? What's up, bro? What's up?
What's up? 13. So you got number 143 and number 13. Do you? Oh, he said he wants another one. Woo! One right here. Another one. Shout out to Triple S TV. You got 3 numbers. You got 1.